Hello students, I am Yuvraj Patil, Head of Department Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. I am dealing with the subject Electrical Circuit, which is for Diploma, second semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today I am discussing the chapter Unit 3 Electromagnetic Induction. As we have studied in session 1, such as Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, Maxwell corkscrew rule, dynamically induced EMF, statically induced EMF, difference between dynamically induced EMF and statically induced EMF, Fleming's right hand rule. So today's class will discuss about the following topics: type of statically induced EMF, self inductance and coefficient of self inductance, mutual inductance and coefficient of mutual inductance, energy stored in a magnetic field, that is energy stored in an inductor, then problems on electromagnetic induction. First, types of statically induced EMF. As earlier class we have studied about what is meant by statically induced EMF. The EMF induced in the conductor due to change in the magnetic field is called statically induced EMF. So there are two types of statically induced EMF: self-induced EMF and mutual induced EMF. The self-induced EMF, the EMF induced in the coil due to change of its own flux linked with it is called statically induced EMF. Consider a coil of N turns is connected to a voltage source. The current flowing through the coil produces a flux and the EMF is induced, and which is given by E equal to minus N d phi by dt. The negative sign indicates that induced EMF opposing the applied voltage. Mutually induced EMF, the EMF induced in the coil due to change of current in a neighboring coil is called mutually induced EMF. Consider a figure A. There are two coils, coil 1 and coil 2, placed near to each other as shown in figure 1. If current I1 flows in coil 1, the magnetic flux phi 1 is produced. This flux is also linked with coil 2 and induces an EMF in it, and which is given by EM equal to minus N2 d phi 1 by dt, where N2 is number of turns on a coil B and phi 1 is the flux produced by coil 1. If I2 current flows in a coil 2, refer figure 2, a magnetic field phi 2 is produced, which is also links to a coil 1, and an EMF is induced in it, which is given by EM equal to minus N1 d phi 2 by dt, where N1 is the number of turns on a coil 1 and whereas phi 2 is the flux produced by the coil B. Self-inductance and coefficient of self-inductance. So what is meant by self-inductance? The property of a coil which opposes any change in the current flowing through it is called self-inductance, which is represented as L, and the SI unit of self-inductance is Henry. Next, coefficient of self-inductance, the number of Weber turns in the coil for every ampere of current flowing through the coil, which is given by L equal to N phi divided by I. So number of Weber turns is nothing but N into phi, and the current is I. So we know that flux phi equal to mmf divided by reluctance. As mmf equal to number of Weber turns, that is nothing but N into I, and reluctance is given by Ni mu naught mu r A divided by L. So the substituted reluctance value in the flux equation, and flux equation you substitute into the self inductance. So that is nothing but L equal to N divided by I, Ni mu naught by mu r A divided by L. So I get cancelled. So the final will be N into N is nothing but N square mu naught mu r A divided by L. Mutual inductance and coefficient of mutual inductance. Mutual inductance, the property of a coil which opposes any change of current flowing in the other or neighboring coil, is called an mutual inductance between two coils. Mutual inductance is represented as M, and the SI unit of mutual inductance is Henry. Coefficient of mutual inductance, the number of Weber turns produced in a second coil due to 1 ampere of current flowing through first coil, is called coefficient of mutual inductance. So which is given by M equal to N2 phi 2 divided by I1. N2 phi 2 is nothing but what? It is the number of Weber turns on the secondary coil, whereas the I1 is the current flowing through the first coil. As we know that from the self inductance, phi 2 is equal to N1 I1 mu naught mu r A divided by L. Substitute this value of phi 2 in mutual inductance, that is in M. Now M equal to N1 N2 I1 mu naught mu r A divided by I1 into L. I1 and I1 will get cancelled. So M is equal to N1 N2 mu naught mu r A divided by L. This is nothing but the coefficient of mutual inductance. Next is energy stored in an inductor. Consider a coil of self inductance L henries. Let the current flowing through the coil increases gradually from 0 to maximum value of I in t seconds. To establish currents from I equal to 0 to I equal to I. So voltage across inductors V equal to L into di by dt, which is nothing but what? The voltage gradually increases with respect to time. A rate of energy supplied to the inductor P equal to Vi. So as we know, V value is L di by dt, substituted in this Li di by dt. Increase of energy within inductor is du equal to P dt. So that is equal to Li divided into di. Dt and dt will get cancelled. Now energy stored within inductor U equal to integration of du, that is nothing but L integration of 0 to I di. So integrating the above equation, you will get U equal to 1 by 2 Li square. So the energy stored in a pure inductor is U equal to 1 by 2 Li square. Some example problem. A coil has 1500 of turns, gives rise to a magnetic flux of 2.5 milliwebers when carrying certain current. If current is reversed in 0.2 second, what will be the average value of EMF induced in the coil? So given N is 1500 turns, whereas the flux is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber, whereas change in the time is dt is equal to 0.2 second. So we have to find out E is equal to what? That is, what is the EMF induced? So as we know that E equal to minus N d phi by dt. Therefore d phi is equal to change in the flux, that is phi 1 minus phi 2. So as we know that phi 1 value is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3, whereas phi 2 is the change in the flux, that is the current is reversed for 0.2 second, that is minus of minus 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So d phi equal to phi into 10 raised to minus 3 Weber. Substitute d phi value in above equation. So E equal to minus of 1500 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 0.2. So induced EMF E equal to minus 37.5 volts. So we conclude this topic, unit number 3, electromagnetic induction. So thank you.